Our last space, someone asked about DePIN projects, and I thought I would make a video about it and what I think about DePIN projects and how I think they are going to disrupt the physical infrastructure that we know and we use today. Well, the acronym DePIN was first coined in the late 2022s, and it means Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. These infrastructure networks include things like cloud computing, Wi-Fi, data storage, and so many other things. Well, DePIN represents a shift from ownership of infrastructure from traditional centralized models to distributed, democratized models. It's all about power sharing and control of infrastructure. These are powered by a centralized entity, a big entity, and DePIN radically shifts this power and ownership of all this data to individuals and communities. So in contrast, DePIN harnesses the power of blockchain technology to decentralize this infrastructure. Instead of one company owning a massive data center, thousands of individuals across the globe contribute a small portion of their storage space to create a very large decentralized storage network. And in turn, they receive the rewards of the contribution they are making through tokens or through payments that are made by the users. Or rather, in terms of telecommunication, instead of a massive company owning the cell phone towers or the masts, envision a small community owning their own cell phone towers or their own masts and harnessing the profits that come from being on a network of, contributing on a network of different masts to create a telecommunication network. So here, power is decentralized and distributed among different communities. So DePINs operate on the blockchain technology, and it ensures an immutable ledger that is kept validated, verified, and stable by every participant within the network. So it introduces a tokenized economy, which brings in tokens that we have been eyeing in DePIN projects. So there are a lot of projects that are DePIN projects that are worth studying and putting on your watch list so that you can find how to profit from the DePIN industry. I know a lot of us have profited from DeFi projects and now studying the DePIN space and watching out on how we can be able to profit from it. My most notable tokens on the DePIN projects are put on my watch list. Of course, they are not in order. They are Render. Render is one of those notable projects I've been studying for quite some while. And Igon. Igon revolutionizes how we store data and how we get to participate in all data storage. And Wild Mobile. Wild Mobile also revolutionizes the telecommunication industry. So those are three, but there are many more. I know many of you love Filecoin. You love Filecoin. So I think it's a space that we are going to have to study every now and then, and we see how we can profit and position ourselves for in this part of the Web3 structures. Thank you.